Today on MathRockGames.com we are opening a Star Wars Unlimited Twilight of the Republic pack. Let us see what we have. We have Padme Amidala. We have level 1313. Woo. We have multi-troop transport. Republic Arc 170. Drop-in. Create 2 clone trooper tokens. Heavy persuader tank. That will persuade me. Falchion iron tank. Republic Arc 170. Druid starfighter. Political pressure. Patrolling AAT. Self-destruct. Prisoner of war. Admiral Trench. Mas Ameda. Blood Sport. All these cards will be available on MathRockGames.com.